zwipiḓa zwa Polokwane a zwi na maḓuvha vhege tharu. Vho Mpe vha ri zwikimu zwihulwane zwa maḓi a zwi khou shuma nga ngona. Zwikimu zwa Olifant Sport na Ebenezer a zwi khou bomba maḓi a lithara dzo linganaho nga ḓuvha. Thandela dza magwedzho dza Seshego na Sand River dzo vha dzo ima nga vhanga ḽa COVID-19. Vho Mpe vha ri vha Lepelle Northern Water a vha khou finya zwa khwaṱha.
Lepelle Northern Water will be penalized in terms of our service level agreement. Penalties will be charged on Lepelle Northern Water just to say to the community or residents, we are paying Lepelle Northern Water on average about 26 million per month. So basically, unlike other municipalities that owe them about 300, 200 million, Mopani owes them more than 200 million, Vhona owes them more than 400 million, we owe them nothing. So we're going to start penalizing them from this month. In terms of the invoice, we will then charge according to the SLA.
Vhadzulapo vhusinyo a vha khou ṱoḓa u pfha tshithu.
Did you one day ever went to Lepelle Northern Water with those people to check exactly what is the problem of the water crisis? Where does it come from straight?
Lepelle Northern Waterworks doesn't have funding to get diesel during load shedding to keep the pumps running. What is it from Polokwane municipality side with Lepelle Northern Waterworks going to do to keep the pumps running during load shedding?
You see these people here, they are frustrated. They are frustrated and they are confused as well. Last time here, the people from Seshego, they came here protesting to these offices, to their offices, to their municipalities. And you yourself, after they protested, you issue out a statement that 30 people, they came here and they were just chanting outside.
Masipala u khou isa maḓi vhathuni nga maṱiraka, fhedzi izwo a zwi khou ḓisa thandululo. Lutendo Bobori, SABC News, Polokwane.